Did you already file your tax return and then later receive additional 1099s or tax documents? What you want to do is not panic, and you can just amend and modify that tax return to include any income that you had that was not included on the original return. And it is pretty important. If it's a 1099 of a significant amount, IRS will definitely have that record on file. And if you don't correct that return, they can notify you, send you a letter about that income that was on record but not reported for you. And the implications of not reporting that income: one, it's income that's not included in your federal tax calculation. Yeah, it's just less income that's being reported. But you also have to think that your income levels really determine the amount of credit you get. If you get the child tax credit or the earned income credit or education credits, a lot of those credits, their amounts are variable, and it depends on the amount of income that you have reported. So when you have income that you leave off on the return, whether you knew it or not, that can boost up credit amounts that if you do go back into that return and add the income, those credit amounts will decrease, and also your overall income increase, and your federal tax may be higher. So that's for sure some implications you want to think about. You don't want to have made a mistake where you would have owed less than you actually did, but then you have to pay back credits because you got them when they were overcalculated because you didn't have the right income amounts. So that's all stuff to think of. Mistakes on tax returns happen, and you can just go back in there and amend it and get that corrected as soon as you can. But yeah, that's my recommendation. Hope y'all have a good day.